Yeah, this is a mini parking module over here. Let me see all the cables. We have 6 cables. Actually, yeah, the red goes to the pin 14. Yes, goes to pin 14. The brown goes to pin 1. Number 1, yes. Good.
白蓝
And
4号
white, blue goes to number 4. Yes. And what called?
绿蓝啊
Yeah, green, blue.
绿蓝是哪一个
This one. This one. Yeah. Yeah.
绿蓝哦
Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is a green, blue. Yeah.
冰冰12号
12. Yeah, number 12. Yes.
黄
And then
色
the yellow color goes to number 3. Okay, we can hear tap is song.
11号
Yeah, the last one is blue purple goes to number 11. Yes. Okay. Okay. Now we go inside the connector, the parking module. Okay, great. Yeah, then we connect the 4 sensors. Okay, the wire goes from the rear right side to the front. Okay, this is the main connector. You see, already plug it. Then we will have 1 sensor. Yeah. 不是中间2个好像是歪的啊，你不要搞错啊。哦，全部一样的啊。OK 了 ，OK 了 ，Go。Yeah. Number 2. Okay, number 3. Okay, number 4. Then we will do coding to turn on these sensors. Okay. Yeah, actually we have coded the ID6 unit, and the sensor already come out, right? Yeah. And we haven't mounted the sensors yet. See, all the sensors still here. Okay. So we know all the sensors are ready, right? Okay. So we are already tested which one is which one, all correct. Then we can start to mount the sensor. Surely we will change this unit. There will be extra button over here. Then you will get this parking sensor button. Okay, okay. Yeah, we can see there's a small one. You need to press it. Then it goes inside. Then it moves. Then we push out a bit. Yeah, then this one is taken out. Okay. The other side is same. Yeah. Okay. Give it to me. So this set as you see, if you push, then it's fastened. Okay, like this. So you push in a bit, then it's loosened, then you can remove it. The 2 pieces. Then this screen cover can take out. So we go a bit, take it out. Yeah, yeah, like this. Actually, you can see 2 catches over here. Yeah? 1 and a 2. Okay, nothing else. So you can pull safely. You can see, right? 1 over here. The other one on the other side. Okay. Very good. The purpose we remove this is we want to change this. Okay, we want to change this guy. Okay. Yeah, we have mounted this this new one. Okay. Yeah, the new one. This is the old one. Right? Sorry, this side. This is the old one. Yeah, we have turned on this button. Okay, see? Press the button, the parking sensor come on. Okay, even you are in the P or even you are in the D. Let's try. For example, if we are in the D, right? Okay, so we are forwarding, right? We are D, in the D position. So anytime you want to turn on this front parking sensor, you just press this button. Then the parking sensor come on, so you can see clearly. Okay, this is the final result. Now we can see clearly this buttons, right? The P button over there. Yeah. And okay, let's check this. If you engage reverse gear, okay, engage reverse gear, we will see the parking sensor over here, all around you, total 8 sensors. And this is a reverse camera. If you go to D, and this camera come out, and you can press this button anytime to turn on this parking sensor individually. And at that time you can push your iDrive. If you want to see the toggle the camera, you still can toggle. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.